Sunita Williams and Barry Butch Wilmore, return to Earth after 9 months in space. But what happens to their bodies when they leave microgravity? Did you know astronauts age slower in space? It's true, but why does it happen? Thanks to time dilation from their high speed, they age about 0.005 seconds less in 6 months. Tiny difference, but real. It sounds like science fiction, but it's actually Einstein's theory of relativity in action. Einstein discovered that time is relative. It's affected by gravity and speed. This leads to something called time dilation, which makes astronauts age just a tiny bit slower than people on Earth. There are two types of time dilation at play here. Gravitational time dilation. Time moves slower in stronger gravity, meaning clocks tick slightly faster in space than on Earth. The velocity time dilation. The faster you move, the slower time passes relative to those standing still. On the International Space Station, astronauts experience both. They're in weaker gravity but moving at 28,000 km per hour. The result? They age about 0.005 seconds less for every 6 months in orbit. Now, imagine traveling at near light speed. The effect would be even stronger. One twin stayed on Earth while the other traveled at extreme speeds. The spacefaring twin would return younger than their sibling. The European Space Agency confirmed this, explaining that astronauts in space really do age slightly slower than the rest of us. While space travel won't make you immortal, it does give astronauts a tiny edge in the race